Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to edit, customize your header in your WordPress website. So let's start. Go to your log into your dashboard, visit your site. So as you can see in our site, we have some location option, some Gmail email option, some phone number option. So let's edit it. Click on edit site. Okay, now we are on our header. Okay, so as you can see, there is a location. So here we have to enter our address. For example, I add my address, that is 70 Harper Heavy. You have to enter the address where your business is placed, where is your office is placed, and whatever location where you work. So you have to enter over here. And here you can see here you can see email option over here. So how we can add a email over here? We have to click here and add our professional Gmail that we use for home work. For me, I use info at the rate solution.com. Okay, so as you can see, there is already a link attached over here because I use this email for professional in my dashboard. So you have to enter here after mail to and the dot, after you have to enter the email and you enter here and click on that. So I'm gonna tell you how it's work, and here you have to enter your phone number. Click for here and enter your phone number. Okay, for example, your phone number is this. Okay, must add your country code so it will be easy for the customer, and click on here. Okay, so click on save and view your website that how it's work now. So as you can see, our address is shown over here. In my previous video, I already told how to add location in your how to add your Google location in your WordPress. I'm gonna if you don't see that video, check the video from the channel, or also get the link from the description. So here you can see our I have an email attached here. If someone click on email, it will go on their email show. I didn't add any email here, so it don't show here. When you click on phone number, uh, it will be on that phone number or WhatsApp, whatever link you attach over here. You have to write a URL here for your group if you want to join a person to the group, or WhatsApp. So you have to add the link over here so it will work. Because the site is trying to open, pick an app. Obviously when you someone click on here, so the app will open, for example like this. So okay, when you give a link over here, so it will be take the customer to the WhatsApp group or the wherever you give the link over here. So go to your WhatsApp setting and copy the link from here and attach in the URL and click on save. So it will work like that. And if you want to add anything over here, so you can also add. If you want to add any more things over here, so click on that. Go here, you see a plus button over here, you see a plus button over here, click on plus and a column will appear here. Change the position of the column if you want to place, and if you want to anything here, for example, if you want to picture here, if you want to add some text here, and anything related to your website. And if you don't see that menu videos, get the link from the description, how to add menus and sub menus. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.